Hello everyone, my name is Juliet Alejandra Carrillo and today I am going to do a mini lesson English for the course English 3. I'm a student of UNA of degree in English. Okay, let's go. In the language English, we can find the silent letters. Like, do you, teacher, what is the silent letters? Okay, they are letters that are written in that word, but we shall not pronounce them. For example, the letter K before the letter N. In words like no, nif, needs, and ni. We don't pronounce cano or no. We pronounce no. In the word nif, we don't pronounce canif or canif, we pronounce nif. Because the letter K is invisible, we don't know pronounce them. In the word nif, I pronounce nif. We don't pronounce canif. Also, we can find the homophonous words like you. What is homophonous word in Spanish? I understand it in my school. Yeah, in English is similar. Homophonous words, they are ones that are reading similar but their meanings are different. Like the words quit, quiet, and quiet. In this case, the word quit means in Spanish like abandonar. In English, you can say, I quit my house. Yo abandoné mi casa. The word quiet is meaning be quiet, mantén silencio. And the word quiet is an emphasis word. These words help describe one adjective, for example. It's meaning bastante. You can say, he is quite fat. In Spanish is meaning, él es bastante gordo. Or you can say, the cat is quite small. El gato es bastante gordo. So, these words are different meanings, but they are reading similar. We could be quiet with these words because are very similar. Another example that we can find in English is the silent E. This letter is present at the end of the word, but we don't produce it. It's a silent letter. For example, in Spanish, the letter H is a silent E, is a silent H. For example, the words hacer, the words hablar, the H is a silent letter. In English, is the E. For example, in the word plane, we don't pronounce plainly because the E is an invisible word. We don't pronounce it. And the letter A is more long, plain. Another example is the word cape. You pronounce this word cape. We don't pronounce KP because the E is silent. Don't pronounce it. We can say cape. And the word hoe, we pronounce hoe. Thank you, everyone. That's it.